Okay, I am Lavdium. I don't know if I actually upload this or not. This is the second time I'm doing through the horrible AI recommendations for YouTube. It's like it's 3:30 a.m. It's like, okay, you know what? I want to see what would it say? What would it say this time? So Fraction Railway. No, I don't want to talk about that. Roners, Final Fantasy Roners, but it shows a FNAF OC, nothing to do with Roners at all. And one fiend died with this thing. Faction Road Review from Roners History and War. I only played like 30 minutes and I stopped. Okay, what abilities? Oh no, it doesn't even know what it's talking about. Master Class, Blood Fiend Dot, Blood Fiend dominate with Blood Fiend's ultimate die, and the thumbnails. The fuck is, wait, what's the sword one? Show me that sword one. Okay, I do download some of these. I actually do download some of these thumbnails. Like, holy shit, that looks weird or cool. Yeah. So let me also take this as well. No, I just want that image. Open link in new tab. No, open image in new tab. Open oh, I think I closed out the other. Yeah, shut off the Mario one too early. No, it's open image in new tab, and yeah, I have to save that one. Yeah. So this complete garbage conditions, but over here, Mario. This is bringing back the Rayman dance off as well. Okay, shit, Rayman's here. I'll record this bit. Sorry to laugh at. Alright, so Deep Fright the Speech of Mario. Okay, let me save these two first. I think this looks funny. This looks funny. This is Rayman in front of a bathtub. Too immature for this, but this video explores the dark and humorous conspiracy theories surrounding Mario's son appears in the animatronic horror universe. The concept of AI-generated deep-fried Mario animatronic working in a real-world location, where we see reality and digital nightmare. Okay, so we've like, where the hell is deep-fried conspiracy coming from? An old Alan Wake video I did, where it's like I circle random like what do you call it? Like you know, it's like food trucks with like the menu. It's like I circle, it's like deep fried. It's like deep fried conspiracy and Alan Wake, and it brought up that old Alan Wake video. It's like Mario and animatronic horror, deep fried Mario animatronic. Deep fried Mario in a robot. Also, Mario's not an animatronic in this thing. He's just a night. I need to play Night 2. I need to play Night 2. A chilling suspension intro featuring a freaking image of Mario, familiar face, just morphing to horrifying. I can't take the seats. I can't. Okay, what are the? What the fuck is this one? Whoa. I'm saving that weird melting Mario one. What? Mario Narc. Okay. Rayman death off in top house. Is it real? What? Is it real? It already happened. It's Rayman bathtub. It's just his head. Oh man, I literally can't take this at all. Maybe I'll just end this one here. Or let me. Okay. Dehydrated Mario sings "We Are Number One" in the pizzeria. Rayman Sims 14, Alan Wake, Deep Fried Conspiracy, and Limbus. We Are Number One by Thomas. Limbus and Alan Wake crossover in a deep fried. Why is there a Deep Fried Conspiracy all of a sudden? Is that Alan Wake? Alan Wake is not, unfortunate as it is, Alan Wake will not be in Limbus company. All right, it's sad, but. What is this? I'm saying that weird. This was the Alan Wake. Was this some guy in a suit? I don't know. I'm up in the top. It's Alan Wake's deep fried conspiracy. The deep fried conspiracy surrounding Alan Wake's presence in Limbus is explored. This video examines evidence, theories, and potential impact this mysterious sex could have on the world of Limbus company. What? Alan Wake. Shit, this was hard. Okay, I'm saving that. Next, Alan Wake from no dude. I'm gonna edit this in the middle of it. And then my trashy drawings and images I steal from online. Then I from this AI generated Alan Wake title. Hopefully I remember to do that. Twin trade thumbnails. Why is it keep talking about the deep fried conspiracy? When did we get? Okay, I'm gonna check this. Is that the video getting traction or something? What? No, the video shows 2 views, and those views are both me. So why is it bring up deep fried conspiracy all of a sudden? Oh, okay. I'm gonna stop this here. I've been Wabdium. Bye.